So hi guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about the 4,000 watch hour. This is the most requested video. How do I calculate my 4,000 watch hour? How do I know the exact views that I need to achieve my 4,000 watch hour? If this is the first time tuning in, my name is Sonia. Do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So we are going to show you today how to calculate all of that. With all of that being said, let's start. Okay. So this is your 4,000 watch hour because this is what we are looking for and this is 0. Let's assume this person that owns this channel to be Vibe with Sonia, okay? So this is Vibe with Sonia. And Vibe with Sonia uploads a video, okay? Vibe with Sonia uploads a video that is 3 minutes long. 3 minutes long. And to every hand that actually click this Vibe with Sonia's video to watch, they watch at least 3 minutes. That is to say, they watch the video from beginning to the end. I know it is not possible, but I'm just using an assumption that they watch the video from beginning to the end. And of which, if they watch this video from beginning to the end, 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So for Vibe with Sonia to get 1 hour, she needs how many views? 60 over 3, okay? And of which is going to be 20 views. So for me to get 20 views, in 1 hour, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting 20 views coming from my videos. Because what? They watch 3, and I'll be accumulating 1 hour of this 4,000 watch hour that I actually need here. Now, how do I not know how many views will I get in total for this particular video that Vibe with Sonia posts? And of which this video is not just going to be the only videos in Vibe with Sonia's channel. There are going to be a lot of videos. But now, how does Vibe with Sonia know with just this one video how many views she needs on this total video for she to be able to accumulate her watch hour? It is going to be 4,000, which is this 4,000 watch hour, times this 20 views that Vibe with Sonia is getting, since every hand that clicks are watching 3 minutes, over 1. And of which is going to be, this times this, 80,000 views. This is to say Vibe with Sonia needs 80,000 views for she to be able to accumulate what? Her 4,000 watch hour. So for me to have my 4,000 watch hour, I need 80,000 views coming from just this particular video. Okay, let's use another scenario for clearer understanding. So let's assume this same Vibe with Sonia uploaded a video that is 20 minutes long. This is Vibe with Sonia. She uploaded a video that is 20 minutes long, okay? And because this is a vlog video, people love the vlog and they are watching it. And to every hand that click this particular vlog video to watch, okay? To every hand that click this particular vlog video to watch, they watch at least 10 minutes each. Each of them watch 10 minutes. So how many views would Vibe with Sonia need to accumulate this 4,000 watch hour? Now, this is what Vibe with Sonia is supposed to do. So it's going to be 60 divided by 10. It is going to be equals to 6 views. So to every 6 views that Vibe with Sonia have, it will be what? 1 hour. For every 1 hour, I'll be having what? 1 hour, Vibe with Sonia will be having what? 6 views. So if I have 6 views, I will have 1 hour. If I have 6 views, I will have 1 hour. Now, for 4,000 watch hour, now how many views do I need? Times 6 views that I usually have, which is my average viewer duration, over 1, of which I'm going to be needing what? 24,000 views to accumulate my 4,000 watch hour. So if I have 24,000 views from this vlog that people are watching at least 10 minutes, I'm going to be having what? 24,000 views will give me what? My 4,000 watch hour. So you can see that for 3 minutes view, Vibe with Sonia need 80,000 views. And then for 10 minutes views, Vibe with Sonia need what? 24,000 views to get her 4,000 watch hour. Let's use the last scenario again for you guys. Now, Let's assume that Vibe with Sonia upload a video that is 1 hour long. Okay, this is 1 hour video. So I upload a vlog that is 1 hour, okay? And so every hand that actually click this vlog that I upload, watch at least 30 minutes. They watch 30 minutes of this vlog. How many views do I need as Vibe with Sonia to get this 4,000 watch hour? So it is going to be 60 divided by 30, which what is going to be 2 views. So for every 2 views that I have, I already have 1 hour here. For every 2 views that I have, I already have 1 hour. So if I have 4 views, that means I have 2 hours. If I have 6 views, that means I have 3 hours. Now, to get my 4,000 watch hour, it is going to be what? 4,000 times 2 views divided by 1, of which is going to be what? 8,000 views. Okay? So you can see that for a video that people are having a viewer duration of what? Of 30 minutes, it is going to be what? 8,000 views. So which is better for you? Is it a 3-minute video? Is it a 10 minutes long video viewer duration, or is it a 30-minute viewer duration? But let's just be sincere. There are rare cases. In fact, if you upload videos that is 1 hour and people are not even interested in that video, it is even going to be taking you a longer distance, okay? So let's assume you uploaded a vlog that is not interesting at all, which is Vibe with Sonia now. She uploaded a video that is not interesting, and that video is 2 hours long. The video is 2 hours, okay? And to every hand that click that video, they watch 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So it is going to be what? 60 divided by 1, and of which is going to be what? 60 views. That means Vibe with Sonia needs 60 views to achieve what? 1 hour in her 4,000 watch hour that she's looking for. So 4,000 times 60 views divide by, that means Vibe with Sonia need 240,000 views to accumulate her what? To accumulate her 4,000 watch hour. 240,000 views. So if I upload a video that is even longer and people lost interest along the line of that video, I am still going to have a lot of hassle to get my views. But the good part of calculating this thing is this: if you know all this calculation, it is now left for you to know how you can be able to put in videos on your channel back to back. Because to be honest, this is not going to be the only videos in Vibe with Sonia. As at this point of me filming this video, Vibe with Sonia already have 700 videos and above. So for Vibe with Sonia, it is not going to be taking too much long of this because she have a lot of videos, and to everyone she posts back to back, east, west, north and south, at least she gets some views out of it. So if I am you and I'm looking for this 4,000 watch hour, I will start uploading every day. In fact, it is not just going to be uploading every day. I'll just start uploading back to back. And remember, when you're uploading your videos back to back, you are also going to make sure that those videos are interesting. So if you know that you cannot upload a long video that will give you a longer time to meet up with your 4,000 watch hour, you can upload still on your long form videos, but short videos of 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minute video that people can actually watch, and it can actually give you a good viewer duration, instead of uploading a lot of videos and they're not going to give you the viewers that you want. Now let's go to my YouTube studio. Let me show you how you can actually locate your average viewer duration. So let me start my screen record. So for you to be able to achieve that, you need to go to your YouTube studio. And once you go to your YouTube studio, you're just going to ahead to go to your content, okay? Initially, if you check your analytics, you're going to be seeing the overview for your viewers duration. But right now, it's no longer like that, okay? So once you go to your channel right now, click on your content. And once you click on your content, you are going to check your content, okay? So for this video that I posted that is 8 minutes long, this particular video, it is 8 minutes 49, and to every hand that is actually clicking this video, you can see the viewers duration here, okay, which is 2 minutes 22 seconds. For every audience retention that are actually clicking this video, they watch for at least 2 minutes. So for 2 minutes, you're going to know that it is going to be what? times 2 of this. Okay, that means I need half of this 2,400,000 views for me to be able to meet up to my 1,000 to my 4,000 watch hour. So you can do that in all of your videos and see how many minutes viewer duration do people watch your videos. This is a video of that is 5 minutes long. I can see that people are not even watching up to 1 minute. When it comes to the viewer duration, it is just what 0.58 seconds. So you need to know that you're supposed to put in a lot of work on your YouTube channel for you to be able to achieve all of this in no time. But trust me, this is very, very easy. Just understand what your audience need, understand what people need as at this point of their life. Do tutorials, try everything you know how to try, so that you don't you will be able to like meet up to your watch hour on time. Okay, so and I wish every one of you good luck to meet up to your 4,000 watch hour. So thanks so much for staying sick and hook me to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed at this point, what are you waiting for? Do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. If you have any video requests you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys.